Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Messenger PIN code step by step. Let's begin by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're already signed into your Messenger account. If you're not signed in, enter your login details first. Once you're on the main screen of the app, look at the top left corner. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear-shaped icon. That's the Settings button. Tap on it to open your Messenger settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called Privacy and Safety. Tap on this option to continue. Next, scroll until you see a section labeled End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on that to open the encrypted chat settings. In this section, tap on the option called Message Storage. Once you're in the message storage screen, you'll see an option labeled Reset PIN. Tap on that. At this point, you'll be asked to follow a few prompts to set a new PIN code. Enter your new PIN when asked and then re-enter it to confirm. After that, your PIN will be reset successfully. You can now use the new PIN for any future encrypted chat features in Messenger. That's it. Thanks for watching.